Hi everyone, this is Gustav, the native English speaker from Montessori English School, and I'm just here to do our first lesson, our first online lesson. Today's topic is going to be nature. So, what is nature? Nature is all of this that we see in the photo, okay? What do we see? We see grass. We see trees, we see some mountains, and we see the sky with some pretty little clouds right there. Okay? So, one more time. Grass, trees, mountains, sky, clouds. Where do we see this? We see this when we go outside, okay? When you leave your house. You guys remember what house means? I hope so. Here are some more photos of nature. Once again, we can see the sky in this photo. We can see mountains. We could see some clouds. We could see water. And we can see the earth right here. We could see a nice pretty waterfall right here with some trees and some plants and even a little river. Here, when lots of trees are together, when lots of trees like this are together, we call it a forest. Okay? So you can see that this is a forest with a little bit of a path right here. Okay? So this all together is what we call nature. This is what we call nature. But the part of nature I wanted to talk about today, the part that we are going to talk about today, is called water. Water. What can we do with water? Well, sometimes we drink it. You guys remember drink? We drink it. Isn't water good? Some of you have told me you like water. But what else can we do in water? We can swim in water. We can swim. You see what these kids are doing? They're having fun swimming. They're swimming. Swim. Swim. Okay. Let's talk about what types of water we can find. Everybody remember big and small? Well, we group water into how big it is or how small it is. So, let's start with the biggest body of water. We call it the ocean. The ocean. The ocean has a lot of water. There's a lot of water in the ocean because the ocean is so big. It covers almost the entire earth. What kind of oceans can we find? Well, between Europe and North America, we have the Atlantic Ocean. And between Russia and North America, we have the Pacific Ocean. There are many kinds of oceans. Okay, let's talk about a body of water that is one size smaller than the ocean. We call it the sea. Sea. Okay, what kinds of seas can we find? Well, to the north of Poland, we have the Baltic Sea. And between Europe and Africa, there is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay? The sea still has a lot of water. The sea is still very big. Okay, let's talk about some of the animals that we can find in the sea and the ocean. So, we can find fish. We can find crab. We can find starfish. Look how happy he is. Starfish. We can find octopus. Look at all those legs. Octopus. We can find seahorse. We can find shark. Look at those teeth. Shark. We can find whale. They're really big. We can find jellyfish. And we can find sea turtle. Look at that shell. Sea turtle. Okay, guys, I think that's enough for today. Just remember that the ocean and sea are both really big. They're really big. Next time, we're going to talk about bodies of water that are smaller, like lakes and ponds. We'll also talk about moving water, like rivers and streams. But I think that's enough for today, guys. So, have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.